Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Health. After a tough workout, your body needs the right nutrients to recover and rebuild muscle. Today I'm sharing the best post-workout meals to help you maximize your gains and speed up recovery. Let's get into it. 1. Grilled chicken with quinoa and veggies. Grilled chicken is packed with lean protein, essential for muscle repair, while quinoa offers a complete source of protein and complex carbs for energy. This meal is a perfect combination of protein, carbs and fiber. It's easy to prepare and helps replenish your energy while repairing muscle tissues. Plus, the veggies add a dose of vitamins and minerals to support overall recovery. 2. Greek yogurt with berries and honey. Greek yogurt is high in protein and probiotics which aid in muscle recovery and gut health. Berries provide antioxidants and honey adds natural sweetness with a quick source of energy. This is a great option if you're looking for something light yet effective after a workout. The protein from the yogurt supports muscle repair while the berries and honey help replenish your glycogen stores. 3. Salmon with sweet potatoes and asparagus. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids which reduce inflammation and support muscle recovery. Sweet potatoes offer complex carbs and asparagus is packed with vitamins that aid in recovery. This meal is not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that promote muscle recovery. The healthy fats from the salmon paired with complex carbs and fiber make it a well-rounded post-workout option. 4. Protein shake with banana and spinach. A protein shake is a quick and convenient way to get a good dose of protein right after a workout. Adding banana and spinach provides additional vitamins, minerals, and natural sugars for energy. If you're on the go, a protein shake is your best friend. It's fast, effective, and customizable. Plus, the banana adds potassium which helps prevent muscle cramps, and the spinach boosts your intake of essential nutrients. 5. Eggs with whole grain toast and avocado. Eggs are a complete source of protein and contain essential amino acids necessary for muscle repair. Whole grain toast provides complex carbs and avocado offers healthy fats. Eggs are a classic post-workout food. Pairing them with whole grain toast and avocado gives you a balanced meal that supports muscle recovery and keeps you feeling full and satisfied. 6. Cottage cheese with pineapple and chia seeds. Cottage cheese is rich in casein protein, which digests slowly, providing your muscles with a steady supply of amino acids. Pineapple adds natural sugars and bromelain, an enzyme that aids in digestion, while chia seeds provide omega-3s and fiber. This is an excellent option for those looking for a light yet protein-packed snack after a workout. The combination of cottage cheese, pineapple, and chia seeds supports muscle recovery and digestion. And there you have it, some of the best post-workout meals to help you recover faster and build muscle. Remember, what you eat after a workout is just as important as the workout itself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Daily Health, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more fitness and nutrition tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.